welcome to JM Pro, and today we're in the kitchen. But we don't have time for that, so let's get our aprons on. Why don't you get this on? I can't do it. Oh, it's that way. It's that way. No, it's not. No, it's not. So there's a little hook here, so. Okay, that's not working. Okay, this is how we're gonna live now. Okay, today is gonna be an awful day because I'm eating Marmite. Okay, step 1, open jar. Step 2, put a slither of Marmite. Oh, it stinks. Oh god, that stinks. That's awful. Okay, right. I'm not gonna eat all of this, obviously, but. Okay, right. Gosh. It looks like something's done its business on the spoon. Okay, here we go. Oh god. Oh god, that's awful. Oh, it has a texture of peanut butter, but I can't explain the taste. It's awful. Oh. I mean, it's kind of spicy and sour and salty, really salty. Okay, this is going. This is going. Okay, that is I'm never eating Marmite again. I mean, I'll never outlive that thing. That went down the toilet. That did. Oh, just got it on I got Marmite on my jumper. No. Okay, that's going away, and it's going on the shelf, and it's never coming back. It's going to the far end of the shelf. Awful. Never eat Marmite, kids. Okay, never. Okay, it may be good for you, but I've heard that it's extra good for you, and it tastes better with peanut butter. So that is what I'm going to do. Step 1, open the Marmite. What? Okay. Step 2, get some Marmite on the spoon. Not much, because it's awful. Okay. And step 3, open the peanut butter. That's like a liquid. That's literally like a liquid. Ew. Okay. Oh god, that's gross. Okay, we're gonna just mix that in because that is like a liquid, seriously. Oh, this looks like someone ate carrots for tea last night. Okay, right. We're gonna get the peanut butter on a spoon. And then we get the spoon and we put the peanut butter on. I like peanut butter, but this one's like a liquid, so I'm just gonna put that on. Now, that looks like a dog has done its business on it. Look at that. That's awful. Okay, I am not ready to try this, but it's happening. So yeah, I guess I'm trying the dog turd now. Okay everyone, it's the moment that you've been waiting for. The eating of the delicious meal. It's very nutritious, yeah.
Speeding bullet, more powerful than a locomotive, able to leap tall buildings at a second. It's Superman! Yes, it's Superman, strange visitor from another planet who came to Earth with powers and abilities far beyond those of mortals.
Okay, right, here goes. I don't want to, it's scary. Okay, right. 3, 2, peanuts was nice. 1. Oh god. Oh god. Mm-mm. No, no, no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I could swallow that. Oh god, it's even worse when you swallow it. Okay. I swallowed that, which is a big achievement. Oh, right, now the aftertaste's like gonna kill me. I'm gonna be thrown tonight, okay? Okay. Whew, okay, right. So that was probably the most awful thing I've ever tasted, apart from that Marmite. It looked awful. It tasted like, I don't know. It's like an alien mixture. Marmite's secret ingredient. You don't want to know it. Yeast extract spread fortified with B vitamins. These people are like lying to us. They didn't say that this contains dog poop. Never trust the back of label. It contains vegetable juice. Well, that explains a lot. Ugh. Okay, I'm getting bored of this apron, so that's gone. I don't think I'll be ever eating any peanut butter ever again from now on. That is staying there. I won't be able to forget this moment. Sorry. Okay, and number 2. You've heard of Yorkshire tea, you've heard of green tea, you've heard of peppermint tea, but have you heard of licorice tea? Yeah, that's what these guys decided to make. I'm a big fan of tea, so this might be nice. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can trust this. I'm not sure. Okay. Right, we're going to try that now. Okay, I'm going to drink this in my Pookie mug, my nickname. Shout out for Izzy. I'm going to pop the tea bag inside. Ooh, dusty. That smells nice, actually. I mean, it looks alright. It looks like the average tea bag, so pop that in. Okay, so this is made of licorice, 38% licorice, cinnamon, orange peel. That's okay. Vanilla extract, which is nice. Black pepper. Is it going to be spicy? Because I don't like spicy things. Unless it's curry, and then I'm so eating it, but apart from that. Okay, so let's pour that in. It's looking alright. Looking a kind of greenish colour. Not sure if you can see. Green. Right, okay. I'm smelling the licorice. That actually smells kind of nice. Right, so let's press that down. Get the flavour into it. I'm having good feelings about this. I think I can trust this. It smells really good. I love the smell of tea. Especially freshly baked bread or cake or something. It smells so nice. So let's wait for this to brew for, I bin the packet, so we're gonna say 2 minutes. Okay, our licorice tea is officially ready. Hopefully anyway, because I'm drinking it now. Stir that. Oh, no. The paper's gone into the mug now. Right, let's try and fish it out. There we go. It's got wrapped around the spoon. Ah! No. I dropped the paper. Ah! Okay, so I've got that off. There we are. But I guess this is going to taste like paper too, because I could not get the paper off. So, okay, I'm ready to try this. It still smells really good. It's hot. Then that was nice until like it caught the end of my throat and like it tasted like orange peel, bin juice and cinnamon put together, I guess. I guess the paper's kind of changed it. Like the actual tea in itself is nice, it's just the aftertaste in your throat. Okay, we've had our fun. We have peanut butter, we've had that thing, we've had licorice tea, but we haven't yet gone in the fridge. Okay, so let's see what's inside the fridge. Okay, this is going to be really scary. As you can see, it was very hard getting it out of the fridge. Okay. We've got pickled cucumbers here. Oh gosh, they don't smell nice. And we're going to try it. No, that's awful. That's not a cucumber. That's not a cucumber. That is like what they call a slug in a distant planet. That's awful. Okay, that was like too like sweet at the same time as sour for me. Mostly sour. So if we dip it in water, it might make it colder and less able to taste. So let's see what happens then. Pickle water. Okay, are we ready? Tastes like normal water. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. But what if we dip it in water and then... No.
By the way, I think those...
Okay, we just had news that those pickles are off. How many days?
Years, you mean?
I'm having my pickle water. That's horrible. Sorry, I think I'm gonna barf. Oh. Oh God, that's never eat pickled cucumbers. Oh, I think I'm gonna shook. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. This has been the best, worst, least favourite day of my life. So, have a great day, guys. Don't forget to like and follow. And don't forget to click that